Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma nongialam ke liang pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangma ke MLA ke MDC kumjo ke Riau Pajba ke laya leit yang kmie jong MP Bam Kwai Hadwaroble Dr. Ricky A. Jason Kan hapok se ban leit sngewlem ha kini ke jingja ke basngausi. Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ulayatho ba Dr. Ricky ude nongialam ubaya keren yakana bat barok ki nongialam san pertai bar ulong breu ba barok ki priang ke jingkrau ke jong nolor ke jing star ke jing champang ka bapen krau yu udon ya ke mensen snowred bat ke jinglong ka basisur layatho ba uleh keren bon sen habaya kendo bat bat man por ba ki keren yakana ka paushna ke jinglong lui bat ke jingkut jingmot bentre na ka benta ki pajba bat ke jela nongialam kaliang pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangma ulang babon sen ke beliau kikiar banya tenrong ya kini kam ha kesan pertai hendrai bonsen ke julang balada kmie kikpa kidei ki beakit ya ba ha kesan pertai ki konru ki bot lem ya kata kelenti bat kini kelong kenuksa ya kisamla bakin wan syakmat ban ya sementa ha kesan pertai. Ya kemet jong Dr. Ricky la penket mentaksi sehing jong hanang seder ha ke babon sepak ngut kila leit senran lang bat ke jingle burom kando kenlong lesai kesi ke arpoi teruk rompang arhajar arpun reu.
This in fact has come as a great shock to every single citizen of our state. Ricky was of course belonging to a particular political party, and he had won the elections with a thumping majority, but he was loved across party lines. And you can ask anybody, he was a person who would be talking to leaders across the region, across the dynamics of the politics in our state, and somebody who was very approachable and very acceptable by all. I think his greatest strength, apart from his commitment, apart from his deep knowledge, apart from his sincerity, was his simplicity and his humility. He was a good human being and a good person. I have had multiple occasions to speak to him, to spend time with him, and in every conversation that I had, his simplicity would stand out, and also his true commitment and passion and heart for the betterment of our people, for the betterment of the state as a whole, was what guided him during his political career. The one occasion I was mentioning earlier in the assembly, I was sharing with our august house that when he mentioned about a particular project or a work, he continued and followed it by saying that, "Sir, we should work together. Can we go together to meet the different ministers at the central government level so that we can all contribute towards the betterment of our society?" I think that one line speaks volumes about late Dr. Ricky Khan's heart, his mind, his passion, commitment, sincerity towards the state and its people. I had few occasions, as I said, where I met him, but those few occasions deeply touched me and left a very strong mark in my mind and in my heart. We will all truly miss him, and I express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. I pray to Almighty that He may give them strength, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.